Now we're going to create a hatch pattern to show our exterior walls more clearly. So let's make sure we're on the layer we want to be on. Let's go to our hatch layer that we created. We're going to go to the wall hatch. Let's start using our hatch command. And we want to use a hatch pattern of ANSI 31. And our angle is going to be at 30 degrees. And let's pick inside our objects. You can zoom in. We're going to use the pick points option. Click in here. That pattern is a little too tight, so we're going to give it even a little more. Let's set that to 20, and that looks good. So that's the pattern we're going to use. ANSI 131 at 30 degrees with a scale factor of 20. And we're going to pick inside each of these objects. And sometimes when you zoom in too closely, AutoCAD just kind of freaks out and it can't handle it. So you just have to zoom out a little bit, pick in the exact same spot, and it still works. I know it's crazy. It's really annoying. That's just one of the little things about AutoCAD. So just keep filling in each of these wall sections with your hatch pattern until you get them all filled in. When you're finished, press enter. So there's our exterior wall with a little bit of a hatch. Now we need to put in a few interior walls. So let's change our layer. We're going to go to Wall Interior. Start the line command. And we're going to start off right here. Snap to this endpoint. And just draw it straight down to this endpoint. Press return. Now we're going to offset this line. Offset it 6 inches. And offset that to the right. Now we need to offset from the top 12 feet, press enter, and we're going to select this line here and go down. There it is. Use your match properties command, type in MA, press enter. Since this is going to be an interior wall, select one of your interior walls that you've drawn here and select that item. That way it will look the same. Use the extend command, select this line here, press enter, and pick that one. Press return again. Now we need to offset this line, make it 6 inches. Pick that and to the bottom. So now we're going to put a doorway in right here. So we're going to use the offset command, 1 foot, 4 inches. Press enter, select that line, offset to the right. Offset again, 3 feet, press enter, select this line and offset it in. Now use the match properties again. Type in MA, select this line, and then pick these two. That way they're all on the interior wall layer. Use the trim command, select all these items, press enter, and trim it up so that we have this nice little opening. Now we're going to put a little doorway here. Offset again, 7 feet, 4 inches. Select your line here, move it down. Press return, offset 6 feet. Select the line and go down. Press return. Type in MA for match properties. Select the blue line and then pick these 2 white lines. Press enter and then trim. We're going to trim all of this up here. So select all of these lines. Press return. Trim those away, and get that little bit out of there too. So now we have our exterior walls, we have our interior walls, and the last thing we need is to put a little movie screen. So we're going to offset 27 feet, 6 inches, pick this line here, go to the right, click, and return. And then use the extend command, select that line, press enter, come down here and pick the blue line so that now it goes all the way across our room. And now we're almost done with our model. We just have a few more things that we're going to do in the next section. We're going to insert the doors, the windows, some plants, and some chairs.